All right, everybody. Sorry about the noise today, but we got this here Whirlpool. Look at it. See how linty it is. I don't know. Well, I mean, it looks pretty clean. We got this much lint out of it. Not very much. You want to watch some corn channel? Go watch Drain Addict. Then you'll see some corn. Let's check this stuff while we're here. Heat element's good. It's not grounded, which is good. I'm so far behind. I really feel like these old Whirlpools, you know, they're still making them, right? You could just keep fixing them forever. Give them to your grandkids. It's the inheritance machine. Alright, pretty simple. I'll test this one out here, the Whirlpool, and I'll clean it, and there you go. Thanks for watching.